Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make earring, and for this one, okay, don't be intimidated with this many things here. I'll explain one by one. Our material is this one, the Ramee, and white art and craft glue, and scissors of course, and the rhinestones, and this stick to make it easier to pick up the rhinestone like this, okay, and studs, and double-sided tape. And because I don't want to use ready-made jump ring, I use this wire, okay, and these tools to make the jump ring. But if you want to use ready-made jump ring, of course you don't need these things, okay. And for safety, whenever we work with wire, we need to use this to protect our eyes in case there are tiny bits of wire jump here and there. We don't want the tiny bits of wire jump into our eyes, okay. So first we have to prep the Ramee with the white glue. By prepping it, it's going to be much nicer, look nicer, and much easier to handle. Okay, just like this. Because as you can see, before preparation there are lots of fiber in this Ramee, you see, and it's not nice. So we do the preparation like this. I will pause the video. If there is any dirt or not uneven part, just feel free to tidy up or cut if necessary, like this. Okay. I'll pause the video while I'm prepping the Ramee. Okay, once the preparation is done, we take the double-sided tape. Okay, we are going to make a round shaped earring. Then just make sure that the glue is a bit dry before we do this. And just put it at the middle like so, and twist it just like this. Just continue to do so until you reach the desired size of your earring. And this is the beauty of DIY. You can adjust to what you want. Okay, just continue to do so. Okay. Okay. Once you've reached the desired size, just cut and then you peel okay, peel the double-sided tape, then take okay, Put it like this. Then we start the same thing on the other side of the earring. Same, we have to use the Ramee, the yarn that we already prepared. Okay, just continue to do so until you reach the end of the other side. Okay, once we reach the end of the other side, just give it a cut just like before, and don't worry, the double-sided tape will make it nice. If you think that this is not tidy enough, you can always tidy it up with a white art and craft glue. Okay, then after this we can start to decorate the earring with this. Just put, of course this is up to you, your preferences. If you don't want to decorate, just leave it at plain like this. It's up to you, completely up to you. Okay, I think I want to do it here. Okay, this art and craft glue will dry clear, so you don't worry about the excess. Just put, I think I need something to okay. I put too much glue. It's okay. We can clean the excess later. I think I'll just pause this video and jump forward. After it dries, it will look something like this. Isn't it pretty? Then I purposely keep the other side blank so I can wear it. I can have another option to wear. Okay, once the earring is done, now we need to make the jump ring. Okay, we use the round nose plier like this to make the jump ring. I use the largest one. Okay, then we have to put the earring. We have to put the earring like this. Then because I want to make it extra, I did double loop. Just to make sure. Then you cut. Then you tidy up. You want to make sure that the sharp end will not hurt us. So must be tucked in properly, nicely. If possible, you tuck in inside the earring, like so. Okay, make it nice. Of course, if you want single loop, it's fine too. But I just want to be extra, like this. Okay. After this, we want to make an S hook with the wire. You just put it here inside first, like this. Then make an S hook. This one I want to make it small, so I use the tip of the plier. And then make a complete loop. Sorry, I hope you can see. Okay, make a complete hook with this. Then on the other direction, I'll make a small hook. Then I cut. The reason I want to make a S hook is so I can customize my earring. Make it nice and tidy.
Last time, right? Sherry and last time had
Okay, this is the end result. I hope you can see. I didn't close the hook, so I can put this earring here at the back of the stud earring, like this. Okay, this part is the front part. So if I want to show the front part, I hang it like this. If I want to show the behind part, I hang it the other way around. Then I want to combine this with the earrings that I made earlier. this one. So we can put it so tight. Sorry, too tight.
Ran over by the train.
I need to loosen it a bit.
Up there. Up the knee.
Like this.
Hey, my little friend.
If I'm feeling fancy. If I want to tone down a bit, I just move it to the other side. Then, ta-da! And if it is too big still, I just wear this part. Like this. Okay, so you just do another side for this earring. Let's pause. Now I have 2 earrings. And then just put like so. Oh, I want to put here. Sorry. Okay. Ta-da! Done. What do you think?
Okay.
Okay.
Mama,
That's it.
there's a bit of.
Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to our channel and click the notification button so you can follow our next craft. See you!